Hello everyone. So today we will learn something new. Do you want to know what is that? Okay, let's start.
So today's topic is keeping clean. So through the video we will learn how we can keep ourselves clean or how we can be healthy in our daily life. Let's observe. All of us want good health. To stay healthy, we have to keep our body clean and follow good hygiene habits. We will fall ill if we do not follow good hygiene habits and keep ourselves clean. How can we keep our body clean? We can keep our body clean by following good hygiene habits, which include we must keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes us feel fresh. Do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. Go to the toilet and flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Splash cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of your eyes. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth well. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair too. Girls with long hair should wash their hair at least once a week. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair neatly. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dirty. Always carry a clean handkerchief. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails, as the dirt collected below the nails will enter your stomach. Then you will fall ill. Nails should be cut at least once a week. Clean your ears only with a cotton bud. Do not use any sharp pointed objects like matchsticks or hairpins to clean your ears. Also, we must not allow dirt to remain in the house, as a dirty house is a place where germs live and grow. Germs can make you fall ill, so keep your house clean. These are some good hygiene habits which will keep your body clean and healthy. Along with all of this, do not forget to exercise every day. Exercise keeps your mind and body healthy. At the end of the day, get a good night's sleep, as the rest we get from sleeping well at night keeps us healthy too. Now, quickly we will revise the important points about keeping clean. Let's see. Keeping clean. How do we keep clean? We must brush our teeth regularly. We use a toothbrush and toothpaste. We should take a bath every day. Don't forget to use soap and water to take a bath. We must always wash our hands before and after each meal. We should comb our hair and keep it tidy. We should keep our nails short. A nail cutter helps us to cut our nails properly. We should wear clean clothes every day. You should follow all these rules to keep yourself clean. I hope you will follow this all. So see you in the next video. Till then, be safe and be healthy.